Welcome to eSupportive Supervision video tutorial. The eSupportive Supervision is an initiative by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. This video tutorial will explain the Reports module. Post login, click on Menu button and then on Reports. When you click on Reports, it will show you a list. The various types of reports are improvement in facility, improvement in community, indicator-wise gap, planned versus actual, unsupervised facility, action item status, delay in action item, raw data, designation-wise submission. As the name of each type of report suggests, each report aims to provide information on the related category. The first type of report aims to track facilities' improvement in terms of score secured. To know more, click here. Select State, District and Block and then click on Submit button to generate the report. Please note, some of the fields might be pre-populated based on your user login. The report shows overall score of 4 visits for each facility. Baseline represents score of first supportive supervision done for facility using ESS data entry application. T represents most recent supervision. T-1 represents the supervision that happened before T, and T-2 is the supervision that was conducted before T-1. To download the report in an Excel format, click on the Excel icon. Click on the facility name, say Arazi Line CHC, to see section and subsection wise scores of last 4 visits. To download facility specific report in an Excel format, click here. Let's move to the next type of report, that is improvement in community. Select State, District and Block and then click on Submit button to generate the report. Please note, some of the fields might be pre-populated based on user login. The report shows overall score of 4 visits for communities aggregated at PHC level. To download the report in an Excel format, click on the Excel icon. Click on individual scores to see section and subsection wide scores of all community visits undertaken in that particular month. You can download the report in Excel format by clicking on the download button. The third type of report is indicator-wise gap. This report helps in knowing the overall trend of indicators derived from facility or community checklist. For example, you are interested to view the overall performance of all indicators for PHCs in Varanasi under reproductive health. For this, select Facility Checklist, PHC as the facility type, State, District and Block as Uttar Pradesh, Varanasi and all blocks respectively. Select sector as Health System and subsector as Reproductive Health and then click on Submit. The report shows overall score of 4 time periods for all the reproductive health indicators aggregated at PHC level. To download the report in an Excel format, click on the Excel icon. Now let's go to the fourth type of report, that is planned versus actual. This report helps in knowing the number of visits planned using the planning module and the number of planned and unplanned visits undertaken for each facility for a given period of time. Select the desired time period, location, and checklist to generate this report. The report shows planned versus actual visits of all facilities visited for the selected state, district, and block. You can download the report in Excel format by clicking on the Excel icon. Click on individual numbers to view the details of planned date and visit date along with the supervisor who conducted the visit. If the planned date is blank, it implies an unplanned visit. The fifth type of report is unsupervised facility. This report helps in knowing how many facilities have remained unsupervised for a given period of time. Select the time period, location, and checklist for which you want to view facilities which are unsupervised and then click on Submit. The report shows name of each unsupervised facility for the selected time period. You can download the report in an Excel format by clicking on the Download button. Let's move to the next one, that is Action Item Status Report. This report helps to view the status of action items for the facilities where interventions are identified. Select location and checklist to generate this report. The report shows number of open and closed action items against each facility. To download this report in an Excel format, click on the Excel icon. To further investigate the interventions identified against each facility, click on that facility. This shows details of the intervention defined under a particular category along with the person who is responsible to look after the action in a given time period. The seventh type of report is delay in action item, which shows the number of action items delayed for each facility. Select location and checklist and then click on Submit. Clicking on the facility name shows the details on delayed action items for that facility. The last but one is raw data report. As the name suggests, this report helps you download raw data of a facility or a community checklist for a selected facility type, either for all blocks or a particular block for a desired time period. Designation by submission is the last type of report. In this report, you can see the number of submissions made by a particular designation for a desired time period. For example, you are interested to see number of submissions, say less than 5, made by all designations of other government supervisors from September 2017 to December 2017 in a facility and community. As per your selection, the report is generated. This report can be downloaded in an Excel format by clicking on the Excel icon. Thank you for watching. For further information on this tutorial, you can refer to the user manual available in resources page of the ESS web portal.